Understanding superheat and subcooling is key to getting your HVAC system running smooth and efficient without wasting cash or stressing out. So, like when you're measuring superheat and subcooling, digital gauges totally change the game. First off, they do all the pressure and temperature conversions automatically, so you don't have to pull out those old charts or guess. That means way less chances of messing up your numbers. Plus, the digital readouts give you direct temps and pressures right on the screen, which makes figuring out if your system is balanced way simpler. Another cool thing is that these gauges speed up the whole job since you're not flipping through manuals or doing math in your head. They also tend to be more accurate, so you can trust your readings and avoid costly fixes later. If you're a tech, this helps you look pro and get done faster, which means more jobs and happier customers. Just remember to keep your digital gauges calibrated so they stay reliable over time. One of the biggest mistakes with superheat and subcooling measurements is relying on manual charts and guesswork, which leads to inaccurate readings and wasted energy. Fix that by switching to digital gauges that automate those calculations. Another common problem is not checking system conditions at the right spots. Always measure at the correct suction and liquid lines to get legit data. Last is ignoring calibration. If your gauges aren't calibrated regularly, your readings can be way off, so schedule maintenance for your tools like you would for your vehicle. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot if you're a homeowner looking for trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. For contractors, it's a smart way to connect with people who need help with home projects, making it easier to grow your business without all the hassle.